Let me show you how to check and replace the flame sensor. Disconnect the dryer from the wall outlet. You should already know how to take the dryer apart. If you don't know how, view the video on how to take the dryer apart first. This is the location of the flame sensor. Set the multimeter to read ohms. Disconnect one of the wires from the flame sensor. Take a reading between the two terminals on the flame sensor. The reading should be 0 ohms. If the reading is infinity, the flame sensor is bad and must be replaced. To replace a bad flame sensor, remove the two wires and loosen up the holding screw. Put a little bit of downward pressure on the bracket until it clears the holding screw, then take out the bad flame sensor. Set the new flame sensor in place. Apply a little bit of downward pressure and put the tab under the screw like this. Use a pair of needle nose pliers to bend the tab upward a little bit. Then tighten the holding screw to hold the flame sensor in place. Connect the two wires to the two terminals on the new flame sensor. It doesn't matter which way the wires are connected. That was a way to check and replace the flame sensor.